Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Fiat 500 Abarth, stock number E2041P. Only 4,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Pearl white in color. You receive the balance of the factory warranty. The 500 seats 4. Leather interior. Front seats tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the second row that seats 2. The Abarth is the more performance-oriented version of the 500 with performance exhaust as well as suspension. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of space in the rear for a small car. Beats by Dre sound system. Rear seats fold down for additional cargo space. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Throaty exhaust. Again, only 4,000 miles. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, as well as compass display. Automatic temperature control with heated front seats. There's your power window controls. And automatic transmission with manual shift capability. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this 500 is a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. And again, only 4,000 miles on those tires. For more information on this Fiat, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.